This national conference provides so much for such a good value. The workshops that they will attend are those things that are immediately applicable to them in their classroom. But then because we move our conference around the country, you get to see agriculture in different parts of the country.
It's been amazing. I've met some really awesome teachers. I've learned a lot. This is my first experience with Ag in the Classroom.
I come to this convention, I get re-energized. Now, I mean, it's like my mind is going in 90 different directions right now because I've learned so much. And when I want to go home, I want to do this and I want to do this. So this is my fun time. This is my relaxing time, and I'm still learning.
I think making connections has been a big part of it. A lot of the people that I've gotten to know, I see some of the really cool things that they're doing in their classrooms, and I'm seeing like how I could transfer that into my own classroom as well and combine ag into my general education.
As we continue to move the conference around the country, we'll just get to see more and more great examples of agriculture that are unique to those areas.